Hey everyone. Um, I'm doing testimonial for Solar Pool Supply. So here's my setup. I got my pergola out here. Forgive the mess. It's spring and we're just getting ready for the summer. But as you can see, the panels are completely on top. It's a 24-foot by 12 pergola. So I got um, 6 panels. They're 10 feet wide, and it's running this way. I wanted to put a solar heater since we're in Texas here in West Texas, El Paso. Get a lot of sun. Most of the year we're all sun. So here's our setup, and it wasn't hard. We had I had fun doing it. Setting it up was on these R panels. They're ridged. That was difficult to figure out. There's not really a way to put the panels on it, so I had to get extra long metal screws and go into the panels and seal them with a sealing caulking. But after that, it set up pretty good. Now the plumbing was a bit challenging for any do-it-yourselfer like myself. I worked in construction. I build pergolas, so I'm pretty handy. But this setup right here was very hard. So I'm not a plumber. I don't understand a lot of I don't have experience doing this. So I recommend you take your time and measure twice, cut once, measure 3 times, cut once. I mean, take your time doing this part because this angle was off that angle. So a lot of these pipes were kind of pulled that way, but there's no leaks. I did it correctly and it works amazing. My pool heated up to 86 degrees. It's April right now, so it's pretty hot outside. It's already 80 degrees outside here in West Texas, but the pool got to 86 degrees in about 2 days with the cover on. The water comes out nice and warm, and I'm very happy with my system. So nothing left to do. I'm just gonna paint these brown to match the wood and all that. But if you're looking to do this yourself, I recommend think about it because it's a task. It took me a couple weeks, with work and family and kids and all that. So a couple weekends here, I got it done. But this section is the hardest. So be prepared for a challenge. If not, talk to your pool person and see if they have a plumber they can recommend that can help you install it. But other than that, I highly recommend Solar Pool. They're a great company. Their reviews and everything is what sold me on their products. So I recommend you check them out and give them some consideration because this product is excellent. And it's we have a lot of high winds here, and lately it's been very windy, and these panels haven't moved once. So thank you all, and good luck with your experience.